on video, but
Operation Return, they tried to say I was incompetent, now they really love. Take a turn now.